Let's talk about what happened on the 14th, okay? And the reason filed for protective order. He's got a tape to show me what your behavior was like. Do you think your behavior was outrageous? No, I don't, Your Honor. Okay, now, I'd like to see the tape. Defendant, yes, Your Honor. So I am concluding, where are you going? Sorry, by what you said to Method, the lock was stuck. Because I don't believe he changed the locks on the door. Especially not with laughing your 3 children and your niece up there. 'Cause that would be stupid. Victoria, hey y'all. Don't do censored. Look at this dot, look at this dot, this dot. Forget you're gonna get upset over a bag of garbage. Dot suck censored. Judge Judy, what is that? Victoria, go where? Who? The censored. You know, I will beat your censored defendant. What? Was that? I will beat your censored too. I got it recorded censored too. That's all. You change that censored locks. You. It's the same lock, I said. You're threatening me. You just threatened me, girlfriend, right now? So what? You're out. Chill, chill, chill. So look, I hate you. You're an okey doke. All these words. Right now, you're attacking me. You're an okey doke, and that's against the law. Because you're initiating it, honey. I'm not initiating anything. Whatever, dude. Dot name calling and all that stuff. Don't mean censored. Bring it to court. Dot. Do whatever you think you've got to do, and I want you to stop filming me now, too. I have a right. I'm in my own home. I ain't doing nothing to you. I want you to leave me alone. I feel threatened still. Victoria, all right, listen, for my safety, feel threatened, 'cause you're just a little censored, that's why. I know. You are? You're just a tiny little censored. You like to steal censored. From other people, Leon, take things. Defendant, what have I stolen and taken? My sanity, my peace of mind. Whose dog is that? His defendants. You just get people in here and then move them on out. So this is not a 2-unit place. You share a kitchen. Yes, yes, ma'am. Ooh, stop. Leave me alone. Defendant, don't. Hit my dog. Nobody touched your dog. Shut the censored. Censored you gonna do? That wasn't even the worst of it. What do you think he owes you money for? For the month of October? For what? Whenever I went to court for the protection order, he showed clips like this instead of showing the video in its entirety. The judge felt that he was trying to judge Judy. Don't tell me what the judge felt. Well, he dropped it out. I want to know what you're Want to know what you're suing him for? Oh, okay. Well, no, I want to know what you're suing him for. I am suing him for icy money out for X. The month of October's rent, my deposit. Just a second. Hold on a second. Yes, ma'am? Did you live there in October? Yes, I did. I was kicked out for, well then, you don't get October's rent back. It's 13 or 15 days during that time that the protection order was in place. Judge Judy, your 3 children and your niece were there. Yes, your 3 children and your niece was there. Yeah. What's next? They didn't have anywhere else to go. What's next? I had to sleep on my car. I don't care. My kids had to live. What's next? Without their mother, what's next? I would like my deposit back. Judge Judy, hold on. Gas, I wasted. Hold on. She? Okay, how much of a deposit? Well, I don't even see punitive damages. It was $700. Just a second. I'm just looking at, sure, the complaint that I have, which seeks money owed for changing the locks, which I found that he did not do, and for filing a false restraining order. Well, he filed a false restraining order based on that. It was probably ultimately dismissed. But I can understand him filing it, and I don't see anything about a deposit back. When did you move out? I haven't moved out yet. I can't move out. So I'm stuck here until I move out. I've missed work because of this. So just a second. Yes, but you came here voluntarily. Where do you live? I live in Aurora, Colorado. In Colorado? Yes. Well, you came from Colorado to Californiado. Try this case, laughing. So that means you took 2 or 3 days off at least away from your children and away from your niece and away from your work and away from everything else. And you're still living there? Yes. Why don't you move out? I don't have the money to be able to move out yet. Well, folders thumping your case is dismissed. You have no case. Goodbye. Wow, dramatic music, court officer parties are excused. May step out? I really don't know why he's done what. He's done. I'm just glad that justice was served. He's just not a very nice person because all the claims registered against Muir completely blatant. Ignorantly so. He didn't want to take care of his own responsibilities. It was about nothing the whole entire time. She wanted to make it about something. I was very angry because the locks did not work. In terms of being able to move out of my house through a unjust and unethical means. There was many times that I tried to check those locks. Didn't get stuck. She's been here since we moved here and she's been causing problems like this ever since. I'm moving out here in the next week. So, gavel thumping dramatic music.